What's up guys, I'm back with a brand new video and it's time to unbox two new Samsung phones. We have the Samsung Galaxy J6 and the Galaxy J4. So these are the new budget phones from Samsung. The J4 cost about 18,000 PKR, which is around $180, while the Galaxy J6 cost around $250, which is about 25,000 PKR. So again, budget devices with budget prices. Alright, so J6 on the left and J4 on the right. And let's quickly get through the unboxing. Removing the plastic. Doing the same thing with the J4. You can see the official warranty cards, which means these are officially launched in the market as we speak. So you can see both are actually in this lavender color. It's kind of like a bluish color. I might be wrong. Okay, here we have the knife. Boom. As usual, the specification is written on the back. So main thing is the fingerprint scanner, 5.6-inch Super AMOLED display, infinity display with some bezels, a 13-megapixel camera on the back, 8-megapixel camera on the front, and an Exynos processor, the mid-range Exynos processor inside the phone. Lifting this one up, as you can see, the Samsung Galaxy J6 is here, and the J4 actually has a little bit different packaging. So it comes with this thing on top. We're gonna put this on the side. Underneath box is similar to the J6, just feels a little bit different. So same with this one. We got the specification on the back, some main specs. So oops, as you can see, it definitely has different packaging. This one just pops up, while this one has to be slide out of the box. So here we have the Galaxy J4 and here the Galaxy J6. So Super AMOLED display on both phones, 5.6 inch on this one, 5.5 inch on this one. Both are Super AMOLED, but 720p resolution. That's what you get for buying the budget Samsung phones. 13-megapixel camera, 5-megapixel on the back, same camera stuff. And here is a quick back look. So let's just quickly jump into the accessories and see what comes with the box. So we got quick start guide from both of these two phones. And here are the accessories, pretty much nothing special. We got charging cable, the charger itself, and the headphones. Of course, Samsung's budget headphones, not gonna be AKG or anything like that. And a USB 2.0 cable, not Type-C, and a simple wall charger which doesn't support fast charging. That is what we have in the box. Okay, so I almost forgot this in the box of the Galaxy J4. So this phone actually has a removable battery, so you get this separately and you have to open it and then put it inside the phone. First up, we're going to remove the plastic on the Galaxy J4. Same thing with the Galaxy J6. Open this one up, and here goes the battery. So putting this back on. Alright, so quickly booting up both phones at the same time. It's not a speed test, but just doing it for fun. And both are actually having the Exynos mid-range chipset. As you can see, both are almost on. Starting Android, and okay, this one is taking a bit longer. Okay, now it's done. Now before we get into the setup, let's talk about the build quality. So both phones are using plastic. This one feels a little bit more cheaper than this. This one is like a little bit solid. You get the Galaxy S9 style fingerprint scanner at the back, although it is really close, but still there is a bit of separation. Almost the same setup as the S9, just S9 has this metal thing in between. Now the infinity display is only with the Galaxy J6. The J4 has this traditional Samsung style. It's just a normal Samsung phone with the bezels. You still have the 3.5mm headphone jack down at the bottom. Speaker on the Galaxy J4 is on the back, while the speaker on the Galaxy A6 is on the right. Now let's get through the setup. Obviously both phones do support dual SIM card as well as the support for micro SD card slot for storage expansion. Again, this is a 720p panel. I feel like this the panel on the Galaxy J6 feels a little bit more wider. This one is a bit yellowish. Do let me know in the comments if you can see that difference, but yeah, 720p it is, and we are done with the setup. As you can see, typical Samsung stuff, nothing different. It's running the Samsung's Experience UI. Let's see, probably Android 8.0. Yes, it's the Android 8.0 version. We also have Bixby on these phones. How can we forget Bixby? So pretty much all the software features from the top-end phones is here. We have a 720p Super AMOLED display, but still, there's no always-on mode on this one. I can even confirm that by searching it. Okay, always on. As you can see, nothing pops up. So no always on display feature with the Galaxy J6. Let's go ahead and check out the cameras on these bad boys. So 13 megapixel camera on the back, f1.9 aperture. It's a simple Galaxy J mid-range camera, pretty much the same as the last year's model. Nothing really changed apart from the UI. It looks Galaxy S9 or the updated phones. So you can see we got the stickers to play with, 2D stickers obviously. There's this beauty mode, pro mode, panorama, and right at the end you get HDR mode, so you can expect decent pictures outdoor and decent pictures in indoor as well. I mean, for the price. The front camera is 8 megapixel and you do get an LED flash with that. Now the front camera is 8 megapixel on both phones, but you don't actually get the selfie focus mode on the Galaxy J4. It's only exclusive to the Galaxy J6. Now, as far as the battery is concerned, both phones are actually coming with a 3000 milliamp hour cell, so no difference there. But pretty much you get a better fingerprint scanner position with the Galaxy J6. While there is no fingerprint scanner on the Galaxy J4 because it's a super cheap phone, that's why Samsung thinks that you don't deserve the fingerprint scanner. So you can have the PIN pattern or the password. Other than that, pretty much it's just like the old times. And yeah, this one has the fingerprint scanner, but it is about $80 expensive, almost, you know, 25,000, 17,000 something price. You can see the difference. So yeah, all in all, I mean, these are cheap phones, but certainly in this price range, I do think that there are other options from Xiaomi where you can definitely get more value out of your money. There are phones that are like less than $200, 20,000 PKR, and they still give you like the fingerprint scanner. That Redmi 5 Pro phone that I reviewed a couple of months ago was really good. So I mean, Samsung not that great in the J series, especially. I mean, A6 was something with the dual cameras, but I mean, no fast charging. It's just not totally worth it in my opinion. So thank you so much for watching this video. Again, we take a look at all these phones, all the, whether it's mid-range or budget, you guys request, I unbox. So I really didn't want to do any video on these. I mean, I actually delayed it, but anyways, you guys wanted it, so I gave you guys my opinion. J4 and J6, there will be a J8 as well somewhere in the future that will be a little bit better with the battery and the specs. We'll see how that will go. I think it's already out somewhere, maybe in India, I don't know. Hope you guys have enjoyed it. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, and I will see you in the next one. Peace out.